Hey guys, Nick with Custom Offsets, and today we got a heater of a video for you. Now, you guys know us for wheels, tires, and suspension forever, but if you haven't heard, we're jumping into performance. So with any new venture, you guys may be wondering where to start. Good news, today's video is all about top 5 mods for your truck. Before we get into the list, if you guys want to shop for performance parts, you can do so at customoffsets.com/performance. First on the list, we have cold air intakes. Now I know what you guys are thinking, cold air intakes don't really work, but that's not always the case. Yes, you can go down to your local auto store and pick up that cheap, shiny, universal cold air intake, no name filter they have behind the counter. But that's not a true cold air intake.
Nope.
Those intakes still draw in warm air from the engine bay, causing no performance gains. Manufacturers like K&N, AFE, and Volant spend millions of dollars on R&D trying to get you the most gains. A true cold air intake will be properly enclosed from the rest of the engine bay. They're not only designed to be extremely strong, but prevent heat soak, keeping the air flowing to your engine cooler. So if you are looking for a proper intake, go check out our website for the best intakes on the market. Next up, we have tuners, or also known as programmers. If you're not familiar, a programmer, depending on the model, can have a ton of different features. Not only will it tune your engine for you, they can also change throttle response, shift points, fan engagement parameters, plus monitor more than just what's on the center cluster. Most tuners will come with several loadouts, factory tunes like an 87, 91, 93 octane, or even a tow tune for the guy that has something constantly hooked up to the back of his truck. Now, this is just the tip of the iceberg of what these programmers can do. Check out Bully Dog, Banks, or SET for a full rundown of what their tuners and programmers offer. Third on today's list, we have the loudest part we're gonna talk about, exhaust. Now, not to break everyone's hearts, but not all exhausts offer true performance gains. Only when you get into full exhaust systems are you gonna get any real performance. The standard muffler and catback exhaust may be more free-flowing and sound nicer, but you still have restrictions at the cats, stock manifolds, so your gains are gonna be minimal. The only way you're gonna get true performance is aftermarket headers, high-flow cats, or even deleting the cats altogether. But that's for race use only, of course. So those will allow your engines to breathe, ultimately gaining you a few extra HPs. There's a ton of good brands out on the market that offer good quality exhausts, like Borla, MBRP, Flowmaster, and so on. Fourth, we have engine cooling and transmission cooling. Whether you're using your truck for performance, towing, or off-roading, cooling is not something you want to overlook. The last thing you want to have is an overheating engine or transmission thousands of miles from home. That's why companies like Mishimoto, CSF, and AFE have created high-flow, single, double, or even triple pass radiators to keep even the hottest engine bays cool as ice under pressure. Plus, once you upgrade your radiator, you eliminate the plastic side housings that are prone from cracking from the constant heating and cooling in the engine bay. So skip the OEM cheap products and upgrade your engine bay's cooling. That leaves us with brakes, the last thing you want to forget about. Once you start throwing those larger, heavier wheels and tires on, steel bumpers, beefier suspension, you're gonna wanna need that extra stopping power. Some of that added weight can reach upwards of 1,000 pounds or even more. Willwood, PowerStop, and EBC are all good companies that offer efficient upgrades, whether you are towing, adding a metric fuck ton of weight, or the guy just wants to stop more efficiently. There you have it, guys, our top 5 list of performance parts for your truck. Did we miss one? Let us know down in the comments section below. And always, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel so we can make more videos just like this one.